Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azib Haris bin Norden. Today I'm going to tell you a story about the puss and the clever parrot. One day it was raining. Puss, the cat, was hungry. He couldn't find any food. He could also not find any rats to catch and eat it. So he looked around in search of food. He saw a parrot sitting on a tree and singing, la 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 dum da dum, la 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 dum da dum. Hi, Mr. Parrot. Your voice is so sweet. You sing very well. Please sing this song for me. Thank you, Mr. Puss. Sure. La 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 dum da dum. La 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 dum da dum. I cannot hear you, Mr. Parrot. Please come near me. No, Mr. Puss. You may eat me. No, my dear. I am all cat. I hope not eat. I cannot eat you. Then here I come. La 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 dum dum. La 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 dum da dum. Puss jumps on the parrot and holds him in his paws. No, I am going to eat you. You are a good cat. If you want to eat me, you must first wash your hands and face. That is what all good cats do. Just see how fast I wash my face and hands. You stand here and see. I am not going to wait for you to eat me up. Here I go. Bye bye. La 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 dum da dum. La 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 dum da dum. Friends, what we learn from this story: when you are in trouble, you always think wisely, like a parrot here. When the parrot was in trouble, he talked wisely and escaped from the cat. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.